Do you ever find it difficult to locate an app or a specific email or something you just know is on your iPhone? I'm the CyberGuy, and even though iPhone is supposed to make life easier, sometimes it feels like all the apps and data overcomplicate the phone. Well, Apple's actually got a feature on iPhone and iPad that makes it a lot easier to find anything on your iPhone, and it is called Spotlight Search. Here's how to use it to find anything. You could either open your home screen and swipe down from the middle of the screen and you'll see the search bar. Or if you've updated to the latest iOS, you can tap a search button right from your home screen right here, which will open the same window. Now you can search just about anything. Search restaurants to find restaurants near you, or gas, a local gas station will pop up, and you can get directions straight to the closest one. Spotlight's also got searches within apps, so if you're looking for a recipe you know was in a text message or a note somewhere, type any related keyword and you'll see where it pops up throughout your phone. Spotlight can also search TV shows and movies, even bringing you to stream them directly if you've got that streaming app installed. You can solve basic math problems or ask questions you would normally Google, like a celebrity's age perhaps. Even though you can only search one thing at a time, using Spotlight, this handy feature will save you mountains of time in the long run. If you'd like more Apple tips, head to cyberguy.com and search Apple, and while you're there, sign up for my newsletter.